In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram Web on Google Chrome. By the end, you'll have a quick launch shortcut so you can open Instagram in its own window without digging through tabs. Start by opening Google Chrome, click into the address bar at the very top of the browser, type Instagram or Instagram.com, then press enter. This takes you either to search results or straight to the site. If you land on a results page, click the official Instagram link to open Instagram on the web. Give it a moment to load fully. Being on the actual Instagram page is important for the next part. Now look to the top right corner of Chrome for the three-dot menu. Click those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. In that menu, find the section that includes options like Cast and Save and Share, hover over or click Save and Share, then choose Create Shortcut. Depending on your version of Chrome, you might also see an option labeled Create Shortcut Directly or even Install. Any of these will work for our purpose. They all tell Chrome to set up a dedicated launcher for Instagram Web. A small window will pop up asking you to confirm the name of the shortcut. It should automatically say Instagram, but you can rename it if you prefer. If you see a checkbox that says Open as Window, turning that on is a great idea. It makes Instagram open in a clean, app-like window without the usual browser tabs and address bar, which keeps things focused and easy to find. Once you've reviewed the name and your window preference, click Create. That's it. Chrome will add an Instagram shortcut to your desktop and your application launcher, depending on your operating system. From now on, you can double-click that shortcut to jump straight into Instagram Web. If you want even faster access, you can pin it to your taskbar or dock the way you would any other app, but that's optional. A few quick tips in case your menu looks a little different. Some Chrome builds show Create Shortcut under More Tools instead of Save and Share, and some show Install when a site supports an app-like experience. Either option achieves the same goal of giving you a dedicated way to open Instagram. If you don't see any of these options, make sure you're actually on Instagram.com and consider updating Chrome to the latest version. You've now added Instagram Web to Google Chrome in a simple, reliable way. Enjoy the streamlined access and happy browsing.